I have to make a joke about this because it's such a disaster. Long story short, we had a leak in our house. I trusted a contractor and he ghosted. He was here. He didn't answer anybody for days and days. He has now left my bathroom. I'm looking for a new contractor, but I just want to show, like, yes, I'm a real estate agent, but it is important, guys, that you have a real estate agent that has been through, that's actually been through life, that's actually been through this. I don't know what kind of filter this is. That's not the point. Because look at the aura in here. Look at the vibe. What's happened now is this guy disappeared. He's completely gone. And every quote we're getting is literally insane. And so, long story short, he sent some people out. They pulled up the floor. We now have subfloor in here. All this has been demoed. And they put a bathtub in, but there's no plumbing. So let me show you. Now, I'm going to say this tub is like, this is a very deep tub. Like, Kevin and I are going to be able to fit in here. Like, he can even fit. I've got my hardware. It's going to be so pretty. But let me show you, like, what's happening. So, this is what he left us with. When you're chilling here in the tub right now with no water, you can just, like, look at all the damage. You can look through it, your ductwork. I mean, but the tub is fantastic. So, that's a cool part about this. And then you can see through to the other side of the wall. Got my shoes. We got this beautiful plastic barrier up, and so this is my life right now. So now we're just waiting to pick a new contractor. I have spoke to a few other people. We're waiting for somebody reasonable because this, as you can see, is the tiniest bathroom. It literally has a tub in it. This house was built in 1972. It has a tub, a toilet, and some in-wall shelving. And then the vanity's on the outside. So, just know, that's beast, obviously. Just know when you are looking for a real estate agent, I didn't used to think that that person needed to own a home. But the more and more that I do this job, the more I realize, oh my gosh, you could never understand how to help your clients if you haven't been through this type of stuff and you don't understand how the process works. Hey, Snowbird. So, this is what it's like. Sometimes when you own a home, it's not all beautiful. It's not fun. That's why you have your homeowner's insurance. That's why you get a home warranty, because that's the first thing that happened. The home warranty came out. They checked this out. We had a sudden leak under our floor. I don't know if I said that. There originally wasn't a moisture barrier installed inside of our wall. And so it leaked from this room under the house into the secondary bedroom. And so here we are. So that is my story of the day. I don't know why I'm yelling, but, you know, I'm just going to go soak in my tub now. I mean, I do think I'll probably soak this long, though, for real. But, like, this is going to be a beautiful green tile. I don't have it in here. I would show you, but it's going to look really good. So I'm going to show you my afters, because right now this is sad.